Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how to fix OBS no signal from capture device 2026. So here's a guide for your black screen capture card which is not detected. Fix 1. Confirm you are using the right source type. The video capture device source allows you to add a variety of video devices, including but not limited to webcams and capture cards. On videos, for a device to work with OBS, the drivers need to support direct show output. If your capture card doesn't appear at all under this source type, it's a driver level issue. So it's not an OBS setting. Fix to add the source and manually select your device. To add your device, add the source, open the properties and select your device from the device drop-down list. If the drop-down shows the device by name but the preview is black, that's a different problem than the device not appearing at all. Treat them as separate issues. Fix 3. Check GPU selection on multi-GPU laptops. When using OBS on a laptop or multi-GPU system, OBS can only run on one GPU, but your open applications could be running on either consumer cellular. Close OBS, open settings and then go to system, select display and then go to graphics settings. On Windows 10 or system display and then graphics on your Windows 11. Browse to your OBS executable and then click options and choose. This is documented by OBS specifically for display or game capture on browser source. Fix 4. Recreate the source from scratch. Remove the video capture device source entirely and add it again as new, rather than reusing the existing one. Fix 5. Deactivate and reactivate the source. Toggling this is a quick way to force OBS to re-request a fresh feed from the device. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.